On March 27, 2026, in Jupiter Island, Florida, police arrived at a crash involving an SUV that had flipped onto its side, but the situation quickly took a surprising turn when they discovered the driver was Tiger Woods. This is what happened next.
Is anybody in the car?
No, he's out. So I pulled up after it happened and stopped.
Who's involved? Who's involved?
Tiger Woods.
Oh shit! All right.
Yeah, and this gentleman here.
Is this comfortable for you?
Yeah.
You alright, Tiger?
Okay. Yeah, I'm cool.
Okay. Alright. Do you have you talked to your security yet?
Yeah,
you called
they're
them?
on their way.
Okay.
Why don't you have the captain respond?
I don't feel anything out of the asshole. We're still gonna have our medic come and check you out, alright? Yeah.
Disregard that. 718 secure that.
Alright. Good then? Yeah, all set. Yeah. He's okay. I just checked for anything on his back. I didn't feel anything.
So I'm headed south back to my job site. Can I go back or?
Yeah. Did you witness it?
I did not. I pulled up right after it happened.
This is you?
No, that's him. I'm right here.
You're right here.
I helped him out because he climbed up the top. He hit the trailer, I think.
Right.
I don't know.
When you spoke to him at all, did he
No, not at all.
Alright.
Yeah, like I held the door open for him and helped him climb out. Because I freaked out. I saw a fucking car outside.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Understood. Okay. Alright, yeah, you're good.
I'm looking like, fuck, it's Tiger Woods.
Yeah.
Shit.
Okay. I got you.
Yeah.
We're gonna block all this traffic.
Yeah.
Alright, so you go
if
through.
You can let me go.
Yeah, you go.
All right.
Chris, I'm gonna move my car up here. I gotta block all this. Tell that biker he's gotta go the other way.
You're gonna have to go back around. Yeah, everybody.
No, understood.
Because he was coming so fast.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah,
Where was he going?
he was coming this
He was
way.
coming this way. And where
Yeah,
were you?
I was getting ready to turn. And he didn't see me, I think, and he just kept coming.
Go sit in his car just so you're... I'm gonna have Tiger sit in your car just so he's away from everybody. Yeah, you're good. Are you alright? Are you in any pain?
No pain.
No back pain, no neck pain?
No.
Knee?
Nope.
Nothing.
Nothing.
All right.
Nothing unusual.
Nothing unusual. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to have the medic just check you out real fast, get your baseline vitals and all that stuff. Alright?
Mr. Woods! Mr. Woods! Get you to hang out down here with us, please.
Thank you so much. All right. You got it. All right. Thank you. Bye. Say again?
And just keep you down here with us, please.
Yeah, I was just talking to the president. Trying to get away from those.
Well, then what we're going to do, too, I understand you're the manager and all, but I want them to finish doing all their investigation, doing all that stuff before you guys go back and forth on whatever it is you guys are talking about. So,
Okay.
All right?
Okay. Yeah.
So,
That's fine.
you can hang out here with us. We're going to...
Yeah.
Till he tells me we're all good on everything.
Yeah. No, I understand.
Hey, Mr. Woods.
Yes, sir.
So this is the driver exchange information. On it, we'll have all of the information you guys need to go through insurances and whatnot. Sure. All right. All your information is all vehicle 1 and driver 1. Vehicle 2, driver 2 is gonna be the other party. Yes. I have a case number on the upper right corner.
Yes.
At the bottom is my name at the sheriff's office. If you guys have any questions, just call the sheriff's office, ask for me, and I will return the call as soon as I can. All right. Unfortunately for the accident, you are at fault.
Yep.
And subsequently, you are issued a citation for careless driving resulting in a crash.
Okay.
All right. It is a moving violation, so fine is gonna be 163. 4 points will be assessed on your driving record. Yep. However, you do have 3 options. They are in the back. It's option 1, 4, and 5. Basically, you can pay it. You can pay it and do traffic school. They take the points off, or you can contest it in court. Either way, you have 30 days to take care of it. Okay. All right. This is also more information about the court stuff. Okay. All right. Any questions for me?
Zero.
All right.
Thank you.
I have another
Hi.
deputy.
How are you?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am?
Good. My name is Deputy Lebanon with the Marin County Sheriff's Office Traffic DUI
Yes,
unit.
ma'am.
Okay, so Deputy Gideon requests that I respond here
Yes.
to conduct a DUI investigation on you, just to ensure that you're safe to operate the motor vehicle at the time of the crash, okay? With that being said, he did conduct his investigation, so the civil aspect of this is done, so I'm going into a criminal aspect, okay? Can you tell me what happened with the crash?
I was looking down on my phone.
Okay.
I already changed the radio station, and I hit.
Okay, so you were looking down at your phone and changing yours?
Yes, the radio station.
Okay. Alrighty, and where are you coming from today?
My house?
Your house. Where's your house at?
462.
Okay. So right down the street?
Yes.
Okay. And you're not injured from the crash?
Zero.
In any way? Okay. So are you willing to perform a few field sobriety exercises just to ensure that you're safe to operate the motor vehicle? Okay. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you step out and we're going to go in front of my car, okay? So I'm going to follow you. Okay. So besides your leg, do you have any medical conditions that I need to know about?
I've had 7 back operations.
Okay.
20 some other operations on my leg.
Okay.
And my back as well.
When was your recent surgery? How long ago?
October of last year.
Of last year? Okay. Are you able to like walk, lift your leg with no issues, or do you have?
I'll have a limp.
You have a limp?
And my ankle's fused.
Okay. So what we're going to do is, since you do have injuries, I'm going to have you seated, and we're going to have you perform seated exercises.
Okay.
Are you okay with that?
Got it.
Okay. Before we get started, okay, do you feel comfortable with your shoes, or do you want to remove your shoes?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, okay. What I'm going to have you do is remove your glasses and put it on top of the hood, and you're perfect. You're on top of this. And then go ahead and have a seat all the way on the push bumper. And then go ahead and bring your feet towards you. All the way. Perfect. And how much have you had to drink today?
None.
None? Do you take any medication?
I take a few, yes.
What's a few?
Motrin, ibuprofen, and what do you call it?
Okay. Did you take all of them today?
Yes.
Yeah? At what time? In the morning,
In the
night?
morning.
In the morning. Okay. Do you know the milligrams for each?
No. The ibuprofen 8 and 5.
Okay. And do you take any illegal substances?
No.
No? Smoke weed?
Nope.
No? Okay, perfect. Alrighty. So what I'm going to have you do is place your hands at your side. Alright. So what you're going to do is look at my pen right here. Okay? And with your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow that. Don't move your head. Do you understand?
You got it.
Perfect. Alrighty. So what I'm going to have you do is place your hands at your side. Alright. So what you're going to do is look at my pen right here. Okay? With your eyes and your eyes only, you're going to follow that. Don't move your head. Do you understand?
You got it.
Perfect. Don't move your head. The pen is going to go in circles and come really, really close to your face. It's going to feel like it's going to touch your face. It's not going to, okay? So can you bring your feet in more? Perfect. So follow this. One moment. For this first exercise, what I'm going to have you do is take your index fingers and point them out like this, and then return your hands back to your side. Okay? So just like this. Yes, sir. And you're going to remain in this position until I give you further instructions. You understand?
Yeah.
Perfect. When I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back at a 45-degree angle and close your eyes. Do you understand? Perfect. Do you know your left hand from your right hand? Which one is your left? Perfect. Which one is your right? Great. Alrighty, so like I said, when I tell you to begin, you're going to tilt your head back at a 45-degree angle. Okay, don't begin yet. And then you're going to close your eyes. Don't begin yet. Okay? So you're just going to watch me for the time being. Okay? So like I said, when I say left, you're going to raise your left hand directly in front of your face, touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose, and then immediately return your hand back to your side. Same thing when I say right. You're going to touch your right finger to the tip of your nose, to the tip of your side, and immediately return your hand back to your side. When I say the tip of your finger, this is the tip of your finger, okay? It's not going to be your fingerprint. It's not going to be your thumbnail. It's not going to be the sides of your finger. This is the tip of your nose, okay? It's not going to be the sides. It's not going to be the top. It's not going to be the bottom. It's not going to be your nostrils, okay? Do you understand? Yeah. Do you have any questions? No. Alrighty, go ahead and begin. Make sure you close your eyes. Left.
To what?
Just like I explained and demonstrated. Remember to return your hand back to your side. I'm not going to keep reminding you.
Yeah.
Right? left, right, right, left. You can go ahead and open your eyes. Alrighty. For this exercise, what I want you to do is place your hands palm to palm with one hand up and one hand down like this. Okay, and you're going to remain in this position until I give you further instructions. Do you understand? Yes. Perfect. When I tell you to begin, you're going to turn your top hand over and count out loud 1. Then turn your hand back over and count out loud 2. Count in only when your hands make contact, like this. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, so one here,
So
2 here.
Yes, sir. Only when your hands make contact. So 1, 2, 1,
That's 1.
2. Yes, sir. Okay. You're going to repeat this. Speed up as you go and do not stop until told.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep your hands and fingers parallel during each pat like this. It's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Do you understand? You have any questions? All right. Go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay. For the last exercise, what I'm going to have you do is make a fist with both hands. Place your left fist at the center of your chest and your right fist against your left chest. So it's going to look like this. So your left fist at the center of your chest and then your right fist directly in front. And you're going to remain in this position until I give you further instructions, okay?
Cool.
When I say begin, you must perform 4 tasks, okay? Your first task is to count out loud from 1 to 4 while you move your fist in a step-like fashion, making contact between each fist. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? The second task is to memorize the position of your fist after you've counted to 4. Clap your hands 3 times and return your fist to the memorized position. So after you count 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to memorize the position of your fist and then clap 3 times. And then return to the memorized position. Your third task is to move your fist in a step-like fashion in reverse order, counting out loud from 5 to 8 and return your left fist to the center of your chest. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Your fourth task is to open your hands with your palms down and place them on your lap. So after you completed the task, you're going to open your hands up and place them on your lap. Okay? Do you understand all the instructions, or do you want me to repeat them to you one more time?
Just repeat them as we go.
I'm sorry?
Repeat them as we go?
So I can't repeat them as we go, okay? That's why I'm asking that you understand all the instructions. If you need me to demonstrate it to you one more time, I can.
Okay.
Okay, but this is the time to ask any questions that you
First
have.
one is 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way out.
Do you need me to explain it to you one more time?
Okay. Do that again.
Okay, do you have any more questions? Alrighty, go ahead and begin. Alrighty, you're all done?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and stand up for me. Then you're going to face my car. Okay, go ahead and place your hands behind your back. Place them behind your back. There you go. So at this time, I do believe your normal faculties are impaired, okay? And you're under the unknown substance, okay? So at this time, you're under arrest for DUI. Yes, sir. Okay, do you have anything on you that's going to poke, stick, or press?
Nothing on you I need to know about guns, knives, bomb, drugs, anything that
Nope.
poke, stick, or stab me?
Nope.
Can you spread your legs for me?
Yeah. That's a narco.
Narco?
Yep.
Okay. It says it's narco.
10-325.
I realize if you do have something else, please tell us now.
I have nothing else.
Okay, it's one of the disclaimers we gotta give. Please tell us now because it is an automatic felony if you introduce any type of contraband into a correctional facility. Okay?
Good.
Okay. Perfect.
As of now, no official charges have been filed in connection with the incident.